Guys, we did it. Look at this beauty. The silver play button is finally here.
So guys, to celebrate this milestone today, we are going to play some exciting game. So game is here.
Rule of the game is very simple. They just need to arrange the item according to the item under the table. Who will able to arrange all these items same as under the table, he or she will be the game winner. Are you guys ready for the game?
Yeah.
Let's start the game with ladies first. Each time you will get 3 chances to arrange those items. One right. One right. Zero right. Okay. One right. Three right. One last time. One right. Two right. One right. One last time. One right. One right. Hey, one right. One right. Five. Zero right. You will get 3 chances each time.
One right.
There, dog.
सोध न सोध यसकै तैँले भयो कि नै भनेर तिनटा राइट छ
Now here is your last chance. One, two, three, four, five. All correct. Congratulations.